Scene. A father and his son are sitting on the couch at home, with a notebook and pen in hand, as the father explains the meanings of various English idioms to his son. Father: all right, buddy, today we're going to learn some idioms. These are phrases that don't always make sense literally, but they have a different meaning when used in a sentence. Son: sounds fun. What's an idiom? Father: an idiom is like a shortcut for expressing something. Instead of explaining something in a long way, we use these phrases to make our speech more interesting. Let's start with the first one: break the ice. Son: does that mean literally breaking ice? Father: no, not really. It means to do or say something to make people feel more comfortable in a social situation, especially when they don't know each other. For example, if you're at a party and you don't know anyone, telling a funny joke could help break the ice. Son: oh, so it's like starting a conversation. Father: exactly. Here's another one: spill the beans. Son: does it mean dropping beans? Father: not exactly. It means to reveal a secret or tell something you weren't supposed to say. For example, if someone tells you a surprise, and you accidentally tell someone else, you spilled the beans. Son: oh no, that's happened to me before. What's next? Father: next, we have the ball is in your court. Son: so, if I'm holding the ball, I have to do something. Father: that's right. It means that it's your turn to make a decision or take action. If someone says, the ball is in your court, it means they've done their part, and now it's up to you to act. Son: cool. What's the next one? Father: under the weather. It has nothing to do with actual weather. It means feeling sick or unwell. So, if someone says, I'm feeling a bit under the weather, they mean they're not feeling well. Son: oh, like when I had a cold last week. Father: exactly. Next, we have a blessing in disguise. Son: does that mean a blessing that's hidden? Father: yes. It means something that seems bad or unfortunate at first, but later turns out to be good. For example, if you lose your job but then find a better one, that's a blessing in disguise. Son: that's a nice way to look at bad things. What else? Father: hit the nail on the head. This means to say or do something exactly right, without any mistakes. So, if you give the perfect answer in class, you hit the nail on the head. Son: I get it. What's next? Father: bite the bullet. It means to do something difficult or unpleasant that you've been avoiding. If you need to go to the dentist but you're scared, you might say, I'll just bite the bullet and go. Son: that sounds tough. How about another one? Father: let the cat out of the bag. This one means to accidentally reveal a secret, just like spilling the beans. If you tell someone about a surprise party before the actual event, you've let the cat out of the bag. Son: that sounds like something I'd do. What's next? Father: burn the midnight oil. It means to stay up late working on something, usually studying or doing homework. If you stay up late to finish your school project, you're burning the midnight oil. Son, so, it's like staying up all night. Father, yep, exactly. And the last one for today is, a penny for your thoughts. It's a way of asking someone what they're thinking. If you notice someone looks deep in thought, you might say, a penny for your thoughts. Son, oh, I've heard that before. It's like asking, what's on your mind? Father, exactly. You did a great job understanding these idioms. They're fun and useful to know. Son, thanks, Dad. I'll try to use them in my conversations. Father, I'm sure you'll do great. Keep practicing, and you'll be speaking like a pro in no time.